Hello, my name is Thomas Leitmann. I work in the Customer Support International Department at Pilz. In this video, I will show you how to connect sensors and actuators to the PDP67 Profinet Profisafe module and how to carry out a wiring test. With the wiring test, you can read in the inputs and switch the outputs, thereby checking if your sensors and actuators are connected correctly. The module is contacted exclusively via M12 plugs and sockets. The sensors and actuators are connected to the upper 8 ports. With the reset button, you can restart the module, perform a factory reset, or take over the configuration from the chip card. The holder for the optional SD card can be screwed onto port X20. You can save the configuration data on the SD card. Let's go for the wiring now. Screw the Profinet Profisafe cable onto port X21. You will find an overview of all the accessories in the operating manual. The available cables are also listed here. Now screw the power supply cable onto port X31. You can connect further PDP67 Profinet Profisafe modules via the opposite ports X22 and X32 on the right-hand side. Connect your sensors and actors to the desired I/O ports. For example, I use our PITestop active, which is connected to port X1. The module is now completely wired. Let us now carry out a wiring test. This is done via the web server. For this, the module needs an IP address which can be assigned in the TIA portal. Using any browser, after entering the IP address in the address bar, you will get to the login screen of the device. Log in as admin, and the password is PDP67. Capital letters and written together. Here you can choose your preferred language. Now we log in. For the wiring test, there must be not any configuration on the module yet. If there is, the module must first be reset to the factory settings and an IP address must be assigned. In the wiring test menu, the inputs can be read and outputs can be written. Confirm that you have configured your module correctly and start the wiring test. We switch on the test pulses and we can see the inputs are high in the web browser and also the LEDs of the module are high. When I push the e-stop, we see the LEDs go off and also the inputs in the web browser are switched off. When I release it, I see a high signal again. The error stack of the module can be seen in the diagnostic log. These are the most important parameters in the web browser.